I'm Doug Carlberg. I'm the president and CEO of M2 Global Technology. We're a manufacturing company here in San Antonio, Texas. And what do? We make aviation parts or aircraft parts for the defense industry. We really do some cool stuff here. We do a lot of parts for Lockheed Martin on their 5th generation fighter. That's the one that's going out in the field today. The Air Force, the Navy, and the Marine Corps all have versions in this aircraft. And we make the parts right here in San Antonio at M2 Global. Lockheed Martin even brought in their Cockpit Demonstrator right here in San Antonio. And here is the news clip that was on the local TV station.
Take a look. Their F-35 Cockpit Demonstrator was on display today at M2 Global Incorporated on the northwest side. Lockheed Martin says the F-35 is the most lethal fighter jet ever built. It can collect, analyze, and share data to help soldiers during their missions. Republican Congressman Tony Gonzalez there giving the keynote address, and also he got in the cockpit, as you just saw.
With a great aerospace presence here in San Antonio, that partnership means M2 will be doubling its manufacturing space, bringing more jobs to the city.
We can draw more business to San Antonio. It's a great place to work. Texas, with their cost structure and no taxes, is really a great place to bring companies in. And San Antonio does a great job, and Bexar County does a great job promoting that.
I'd recommend doing an internship. It's great to get hands-on experience. I've gotten a lot to learn about this industry, about aerospace, because I didn't really know too much about the aviation industry.